Alright friends, so in this lecture we will learn just the blend modes. Okay, so basically this is our the blend mode and this is disable. You have to just unlock the image. So you see this is all my the blend mode. Okay, and I'm gonna use this blend mode. So for that I'm gonna just make this image into this bulb. Alright, so for this I'm gonna just drag and drop this image to here. Okay, just place it here just on the bulb and select the bulb, just hide this one, and using the quick selection tool we're going to just select this glass part. All right, so just like this we will just select it, the glass part. Okay, and now what we have to do, just enable it. You see this part is just selected, and select this layer to the layer mask, and you see this is cut it from this one, and you can just do the luminosity. You see, all right. So you see, the easily, this is the easy one we can do. We just did the blend mode. This the blend mode is the luminosity. Okay, and this the image is cut into the bulb shape and taking the black and white, the color that is in our bulb color. Okay, or you can use the just like the overlay to overlay, so it will just show the both images, just like my the image that is my bulb image, and the my uh, just like the image that I work use, just this is my contemporary artwork. Okay, so I use this one, so you can see both the bulb and this contemporary artwork both in the single image. So this is the blend overlay mode. You can easily blend it. So okay, and using the control T or wrap, you can wrap it perfectly if something missing, just like this here. Okay, so you can wrap it completely. All right, and the a little bit from here. Perfect one. So you see I just blended my bulb into the contemporary artwork, or you can just save it using the control shift S. All right, save it to the PNG. Okay, so the blend mode, or you can see this is, so how easily I just blended the two images in the Photoshop.